Remember back in the 1800s in California, there was this huge gold rush, right? Hundreds of thousands of people flocked to California, all trying to strike it rich with gold, right? All digging for gold. But how many people truly got rich and found gold? Not many. But each one of those hundreds of thousands of people had to dig for the gold with a shovel. Now, who are the real ones who got rich? The people digging for the gold or the people selling the shovels? Now, who would you rather be? I know who I'd rather be. And I know this probably doesn't make much sense, but just bear with me, okay? I'm going to teach you in this video how to become the metaphoric shovel seller rather than the gold digger, right? Or the person digging for the gold, not a gold digger. Not no Kanye West gold digger here, but you know what I mean, right? And I'm also going to show you how to use the same program and the same strategy to make $1,000 a day. So if that sounds at all interesting to you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. So there's plenty of ways to make $1,000 in a single day, right? You could start your own brick and mortar business, start your own store on Amazon, FBA, or many different ways. But when you're doing something like that, there's a lot of moving parts, right? You got to get merchant accounts. You got to keep the merchant accounts. You got to invest in a product. If you're a brick and mortar business, you got to get a place. You got to get workers. There's a lot of moving parts. And that's, in my opinion, when you're the metaphorical person digging for the gold, right? However, what if I could tell you that there's a way to promote proven products for established companies who already have all those moving parts already put together for you? And that's what's called affiliate marketing, okay? And it's not just regular affiliate marketing. This is high ticket affiliate marketing. And that's when you'll be the metaphorical shovel seller, right? Shovel seller. Don't mind me, right? I'll get done with the metaphors soon, right? So anyways, what affiliate marketing is, if you have no idea, that's just connecting people to a proven product and taking your commission. It's simple. People need something, you give it to them, and you get paid. Simple as that, right? And with high ticket affiliate marketing, you're focusing on high ticket products, right? So I'm talking $2,500, $5,000, $10,000, $30,000 products, and you're getting paid 40% commission. So think about it. It's a pretty big number, right? But the problem is with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can't just sell someone a $30,000 product over Facebook Messenger, right? Like, oh, here's my link, go sign up, right? Like, no, that doesn't work, okay? You have to actually close them on the phone. However, you don't have to do this yourself, at least not with this company and this product, okay? And if you're tired of hearing about all the metaphors for digging for gold and shovels and all that stuff, you can go down in the description below, click the first link in the description. That's my #1 recommendation to make money online. However, if you're digging this, okay, I'll stop, but keep watching. Comment down below. Give me a yes if this is making sense so far. If not, put a no. I respond to all the comments. I'm glad to help you. But now I'm going to hop into my computer. I'm going to show you this program, explain how everything works, how you can do the same thing as I'm doing, and how to start making money online. Let's get into it. All right, welcome to my computer. So this company is called Legendary Marketer, and this is my #1 recommendation that I was talking about just a little bit ago. And the thing that makes them so amazing, okay, is, like I said, you can't just send people to a crazy high offer like, hey, buy this $30,000 offer. Doesn't work, right? We've established that. However, if you send someone to like a $7 front end offer, for example, which just means that's the first offer in their value ladder or their funnel, then it's a lot more likely for them to purchase something further on. And like I said, for them to actually buy something that's high ticket, they have to get closed on the phone. That's the only way to do it. It's just the truth, okay? So the thing that makes Legendary unlike any other program is, first of all, their $7 front end offer. This is their 15-day business challenge. It's called the Business Builder Challenge. And this value in this challenge alone is so powerful, okay? And you can see right here, claim your free bonus scripts and templates. So they give you everything you need to be successful. And you can see right here, you got to schedule your call with your business plan advisor. So they give you a free coach. So everyone who comes in their door on the $7 product, they get a coach. Okay, so not only are they linked to you because you're an affiliate for them, right? You signed up this person, they're linked to you. Now this coach is going to get on the call with them and find out their pains, help them with solutions, find out more about them, provide value. And you want to also be providing them value. And I hope I mentioned, I don't know if I did, but this can all be done with a smartphone. Like literally, this is all you need. But you have to be creating content and providing value. This could be as simple as making posts on Facebook, providing value in Facebook groups. You could be doing YouTube. There's plenty of tutorials online showing you how to do YouTube with just a smartphone. You don't have to complicate this, okay? But you do have to be creating content. If you want to do this for free, okay? There are paid ads and stuff like that, but I suggest when first starting out to try and have less than $200 in monthly expenses, okay? You're going to want to have an email service provider and you're going to want to have some type of software to build your landing pages, okay? I use Clickfunnels. Links to that and ConvertKit are in the description if you want to check those out. But anyways, so they get linked to you and they do the selling, right? And what happens is they're going to start, if they want, if the person wants, it's no high pressure sales or anything like that, but if the person wants to do the advanced training, right? I think it's lesson 4, day 4. You schedule a call, or maybe it's 5, I don't remember. Yeah, it's either day 4 or day 5, but they give you access to a webinar if you want it. And that webinar will make an offer at the end. And that's one of the first high ticket products that they'll be introduced to. And that's the advanced training. And that's where you're going to make the most of the money. That's where a lot of the sales come in. And that's where a lot of people have been having success with Legendary, including me. And they don't want people talking about how much money they're making because that just attracts people for the wrong reasons, right? People start thinking, oh, I'm going to make money with doing no work. It doesn't work like that. You have to be creating content. You have to be putting in action. And you just have to be providing value into the market. Okay, so I hope this is making sense, all right? And again, if you want to get this, it's the first link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And before you leave, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe by clicking my face right here, and that's all I got. See you on the next video.